talking really fast. I'm really excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay Thurston. I'm so excited that you're with me today. I'm excited because I get to just spend the whole day working on projects around the house. The next thing is the guest bathroom. I'm in the middle of a makeover in that room. I'm gonna have to hang some hooks, hang some art, and I really want to get that room finished. So something kind of big happened in my life. I wasn't sure if I was gonna share this, but who knows if I'll use this footage. Might as well just film it. Travis proposed. We are so excited and thrilled and happy. Yeah, I'm just on cloud 9, you guys. I can't even hide it. Oh wow, I really haven't told that many people yet, so. All right, let's get into it. Today I'm gonna give you some renter-friendly hacks to update your bathroom. Here we are in the guest bathroom. Let me just kind of show you what's going on in here so far. All right, this shelf is actually one that my mom gave me to go over my desk in my previous smaller apartment. It was perfect for that situation, but I've never found the perfect situation for it here. I think this piece of art will make more sense in here if I add more art with black frames and white matting. All of the metals in here are chrome, so I'm really excited to bring in this brass just to give it more of a mixed metals situation. I'm loving that lately in styling, so I'm excited to try it. And then this anchor hook is for towels, hand towels, but it's just not working. I'm gonna replace it with this really simple one. Here is the old mirror. It is not the cutest. It just really doesn't fit with my aesthetic. It's a fairly innocuous mirror. I just can't paint it because it's not mine. So I'm gonna tuck it safely in the garage for the landlord, and I'll put that back when we move, and then I'll be installing our new one. It's so cute. I'm so excited about the beautiful mirror. It looks so good in here. This was a HomeGoods find, you guys, $39.99, and I'm so glad I held out for one that was not gonna be too expensive. I was not afraid of mixing metals. Here you can see I've got chrome fixtures throughout, and then I went for a brass mirror. I really like that mixed metal look lately. I feel like it looks a little bit more expensive and custom, and I'm also changing out the cabinet hardware. So this bathroom actually has glass doors, but they're super 80s looking. They're just kind of like this frosted glass, no style at all. So I'm kicking it old school rental here, and I bought a tension rod. It's from the brand Mint. A shower curtain tension rod, 42 inch to 72 inch. This is the standard size. I got this at HomeGoods, only $14.99. I'm gonna try out this shower curtain that I already have. Here's the old shower curtain. Not doing it for me anymore, so we're going with this beautiful neutral from Hearth & Hand at Target. Woo, so cute. Just in case you're wondering, the old one is from West Elm. I finally found one. It's plain white and it's super simple. You can see it's got some of these little stitching marks throughout, and it's got like a little fringy tassel-y at the bottom. Of course, I've got it on this Studio McGee rug that I showed you in a previous video. A lot of rental houses have the same stock, ugly, cheap glass doors. They're vaguely frosted, they are chrome, and they are not pretty. The tile sticks out from the edges. It's also not cute. So why not cover that up with a beautiful, brand new, lovely shower curtain? Plus, it adds a little bit more textile to the room, a little bit more white and brightness. It's crazy how much hanging up this white shower curtain has completely changed my mind about the color of the walls. I was afraid that I had chosen too purple of a gray shade, and I think it was really just the other textures and art in here. I ordered brass hardware, knobs and pulls for the entire kitchen, and then I was like, well, if I'm at it, why don't I just go ahead and do it for all of the cabinets in the whole rental house? And what's cool about this is I can take these with us when we move. We're gonna get really serious about saving for a home. Changing out hardware is a very cheap and easy thing I can do now, and it's renter friendly because I can take that investment with us when we move. Every single cabinet has the same kind of cheapo builder grade hardware, and it always looks kind of dated and dirty. Getting new fixtures is such an easy way to update your space. So I went with some very modern brass fixtures. These little single handlebar pulls are so simple. 3-inch wide was the measurement for the screws that were already in our cabinet, so I just searched that on Amazon, and I found these for pretty inexpensive. Now, if you're using a drill, be very, very, very careful. Try to go on a slow setting. You don't want to risk, I can't think of the word. Come on, Lindsay. You don't want to risk stripping those screws, okay? They're so pretty. They're so cute. I'm so happy with them. Both of these were super cost effective. I ordered them both from Amazon. The hexagonal knobs are from a company called Beano, and these bar pulls are from another company called Golden Worm. I'll link everything I can in the description box so that you can find these items if you want to use them in your own bathroom makeover. So it's time to talk about my favorite part of any room, art. This art is changing. I love the frame, and Travis and I want to keep this in here, and I have something kind of fun for this makeover. We love this frame, and I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the image. I've been admiring a lot of this map art that people are doing. It is, of course, a beautiful black and white map of our city that we love, Seattle. I'm trying to decide above the toilet if I want to do floating shelves for a little extra storage, which might be nice, or if I just want to do, I have two beautiful pictures that I could hang here, so I might try that out. These are the pieces that I'll be putting in this space. Not sure where to lay out big objects on the wall. It can be kind of hard to do it, especially if you live alone. I did for a long time. So one thing that I learned is just lay it out on the floor, because you can center it just as well as you can on the floor. I just thought of this the other day, and now I have to do it because I've thought about it too much. This little linen closet is so ugly. It is bizarre. I've never properly organized it. For the most part, it's just kind of ugly. I'm gonna take the leftover Benjamin Moore cement gray paint that I put on the walls, and I'm gonna paint this closet door. I'm gonna give it a quick sanding first so the paint has something to adhere to. This little knob is another one of those just kind of cheapo rental knobs. So I got another brass knob so that it matches with everything else. Now, the reason that I'm painting this the gray instead of white, there's two reasons. The first reason is I don't have access to any of the paint from the doors. And right now I haven't figured out a way to match the paint. I'm considering just going for a white, like a Chantilly lace from Benjamin Moore, and just giving a quick coat to all the doors in the house. But at the same point, that feels like a huge amount of time, money, effort to put into a rental. But we're gonna live here for another year, and I don't know if I can continue to look at this chipped paint. So why don't you guys let me know in the comments? Do you think that I should go ahead and spring for a couple cans of Benjamin Moore Chantilly lace and go for it on the doors and just do like a public service to my landlord? Or do you think I should just live with it for a year and save that money? Let's get painting. This is Benjamin Moore Cement Gray. Oh, such a pretty color. Ah! It didn't even spill. So satisfying. Now you don't want to put too much paint on your roller, and I got a very like non-fluffy roller because I'm just trying to get it very smooth. I'm gonna do thin coats and layers. Oh my gosh, it's already looking better. It's gonna just disappear into this little corner. I love getting my paint on. Now I'm gonna take a break and do the paint dance. With each coat, it just gets better and better. Time to get the paintbrush for a few details. Then I'm gonna wait for this coat to dry, then coat 2. I've got some hooks here and I want to hang those for more of a spa kind of feeling in here for towel hooks. Instead of having one of those kind of cheapo rental towel bars, I took it out and I'm going to replace it with those hooks. These marble hooks, so cute. I love that wood and how that's laid in there like a chevron pattern. Those are going to be like little spa towel hooks right there. I always recommend holding it up with a towel on it and just check it out. Like, see, what does it feel like? Does it feel like it's hitting your plant on the floor? Then you might need to rethink the height. I just actually take my level and I match it up with the holes where the screws are gonna go on the wall. You can see all these marks from when I've done it before. And what's nice is it's gonna be exact on the distance between the holes that I drill, but it's also going to be, measure twice, hopefully drill once, marking it. Oops. Double check it again. And then I can go ahead and take it straight to the wall. One of my favorite finds for this bathroom makeover are these metal pieces that I found at Marine Supply in Anacortes, Washington while on a quick little vacation, social distanced of course. And I'm gonna go ahead and install these as a towel hook next to the sink. Since there wasn't one when we moved in, this is going to make it a lot easier to dry your hands after washing them. Oh my god, you guys, it is so crooked. How did I do that? When you buy a piece like this, often they will not come with the right hardware, and in this case I would have loved to have some black screws, but never fear, that's what a Sharpie marker is for. Just make sure you wait for that ink to dry before you try hanging a towel. Even more touch-up painting. so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I got a lot done, so I'm feeling good, although I always have more on my list. Check back soon for the next video. Next Sunday, I'll be sharing some more in this home makeover series. Oh, I'm excited. I do not want you guys to think this is just a shopping channel. That is so far from the truth. I have done a bunch of shopping this spring and summer, as evidenced by my several videos on the subject. Now I'm really working on making improvements in my home, designing it, redesigning it room by room, sharing every detail and every piece of advice with you along the way. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I make a new video. I hope watching this video gave you some ideas of things that you can try out in your own space.